Nice little bit of slope there. I reckon that's a little bit too much. Let's flatten it a tad. You don't have to have massive slope, but you do need a little bit so the water runs off freely and easily. Right, there's a 3mm gap either end, but it's better to use a whole tile than a couple of small bits. When that's siliconed, it's perfect. There's a bit of excess glue there, so we'll get that out before it dries. Now we have the top. I'll just push that in. Need a couple of little wedges just to hold it in place. Okay, so I might just cut a packer or a couple of packers for droppers, or I could put a piece of tile up there. Let's see. Yeah, I could put a bit of tile up there. You always just check your aluminium, touch your mitres, feel that they're nice and flush. That feels good. That feels nice. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now, that that bulkhead I did this morning, it was just to, I had to do the same as the bathroom when I did the bathroom. So I had to copy and make sure it's the same. So yeah. And then we have a nice bathroom. Looking at that niche as you walk in the door, I like it a lot. We'll see you people. Bye.